Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between operating income and EBITDA. Both operating income and EBITDA are important financial performance measures used by investors, managers, and analysts. While both focus on a company's operational performance, they differ in how they treat depreciation, amortization, and profitability measurement. Understanding these differences helps in evaluating a company's financial health more accurately. Number 1. Operating income represents profit generated from core business operations after deducting operating expenses, whereas EBITDA represents earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. Number 2. Operating income includes operating revenues and operating expenses, whereas EBITDA includes operating revenues and operating expenses, but adds back depreciation and amortization. Number 3. Operating income excludes interest expense and taxes, whereas EBITDA also excludes interest expense and taxes while additionally excluding depreciation and amortization. Number 4. Operating income is reported directly in the income statement, whereas EBITDA is often presented as a supplemental performance measure by management. Number 5. Operating income is a GAAP-compliant financial metric, whereas EBITDA is generally considered a non-GAAP financial measure. Number 6. Operating income reflects the impact of depreciation expenses, whereas EBITDA removes the effect of depreciation by adding it back. Number 7. Operating income reflects amortization expenses, whereas EBITDA excludes amortization by adding it back. Number 8. Operating income focuses on measuring profitability from core operations, whereas EBITDA focuses on measuring operational earnings before non-cash charges. Number 9. Operating income is commonly used to evaluate operating efficiency and cost control, whereas EBITDA is commonly used to evaluate cash-generating ability. Number 10. Operating income may appear lower in capital-intensive businesses due to higher depreciation expenses, whereas EBITDA appears higher because depreciation is excluded. Number 11. Operating income is not affected by financing decisions since interest is excluded, whereas EBITDA is also independent of financing structure. Number 12. Operating income is not affected by tax rates because taxes are excluded, whereas EBITDA is likewise unaffected by tax expenses. Number 13. Operating income may be less comparable between companies with different depreciation policies, whereas EBITDA improves comparability across firms and industries. Number 14. Operating income is not a direct measure of cash flow, whereas EBITDA is often viewed as a closer approximation of operating cash generation. Number 15. Operating income is less commonly used in valuation multiples, whereas EBITDA is widely used in valuation methods such as EV/EBITDA. To summarize, operating income measures how profitable a company's core operations are after accounting for operating costs, while EBITDA measures operating earnings before depreciation and amortization and is often used to assess cash-generating potential and business value. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.